Okay. It's currently negative 22 degrees, feels like negative 33. Let's cook some Filipino style barbecue in my wood fire pizza oven. So I've got about 2 pounds of pork shoulder here that I thinly sliced, or I sliced as thinly as I could. You can pretty much use whatever marinade you want. I made this one Filipino style. So I put some brown sugar, ketchup, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and half the juice of a lemon. Whoa, that's so good. I'll put all the measurements in the description below. So Ooni sent me this grizzle with the pizza oven. I haven't had the time to use it yet, so we're gonna see if I can use it for my barbecue. I've already preheated it. I'm just gonna oil it first so that none of this barbecue sticks onto the pan. Oh, so smoky. I can't see anything. Alrighty. It is freezing. You can't see that, but it looks so good. All right, let's take this inside before I freeze my ass off. Whoa, look at that. You got the caramelized parts from the wood fire, and the bottom isn't as crispy, but it's okay. Let's plate this up and give it a go. I got some fresh steamed rice, so just grab a couple pieces here. Try it out. That looks pretty good. Got the crispy bits right here. Now, it's not Filipino barbecue if I don't have some special spicy vinegar. So I got some right here. Let's give this a go. First without the vinegar. Mmm, that's so good. Let's give it a go with the spicy vinegar. That's so good. That's so good. Can you believe we could cook this in negative 22 degrees? Feels like negative 33. Oh, so good. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The recipe for the marinade is gonna be in the description below if you guys are interested. This is more of a proof of concept that I can make barbecue in my pizza oven. But if you guys wanna see more recipes, or if you wanna see an in-depth video of how I make the barbecue sauce, let me know and I'll see if I can make one. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more videos like this. I'm doing a lot of different things, but most of the time I'm doing cooking right now because that's what I'm into. But yeah, comment Filipino barbecue in the comments below so that I know that you guys watched the video to the end. And if you did, thank you, I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you know when I post a new video. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.